Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the Zinus memory foam green tea mattress in the 12-inch version. You can find this mattress on two different places, at Zinus and at Amazon. This mattress is the best value we've seen so far. It is under $200 for a twin size, and it is the #1 mattress on Amazon with more than 13,000 reviews, and it's got a 4.5 star result. So we're really impressed. We wanted to take a look. Check out the links below for the details. If you get this mattress off the Zinus website, you can use Inside Sleep 10 for additional 10% off and avoid paying tax. Or you can also get it on Amazon, whichever works better for you. Check out our other reviews also at Inside Sleep, our other YouTube channel, and we will take a look at what's inside this mattress box. Stay tuned. So we're going to take a look at what's inside the box. I'm going to slice this open here. Obviously, we want to be careful. We don't want to slice the actual product. But for now, it looks like all we need to do is get the box open. So unlike the other mattresses we've reviewed, this one's actually pretty light. It is a twin size, so it's much smaller. This was definitely can be handled by just one person, so we're happy about that. I'm going to slice open the vacuum sealing, and we'll take a look at the actual mattress. Bed's out of the box. We wanted to take a look at it. There's definitely a little bit of an odor, but that dissipated quickly. We wanted to take a look at how the mattress behaves with pressure, as always. So I really can't tell the difference between this mattress, which is a pretty good value, versus the higher end mattresses we've seen in brick and mortar stores. That's pretty impressive to me. I can feel the softness that is on top. This is a great mattress for a kid's room or even a guest room. Because of the value, but also the luxurious feel. The cover is very soft. You can really feel the material on the top kind of cradle you and make you comfortable while you sleep, but also giving you that support that's underneath. I have a bowling ball here, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like when we drop it on there. There's hardly any bounce, and then when I remove the ball, the material comes right back. So I feel like when you're lying down on this bed and you're sleeping on it, it'll really surround you and keep you comfortable and cool as you sleep. So lying down on this mattress, I can actually feel the cool gel through the top cover here. And as I lie down on my side, again, you can kind of see the material come up around me. So it does surround you. Very comfortable mattress. Very comparable to high-end mattresses that we've seen, again, in brick and mortar stores. And such a great value. It is the #1 mattress on Amazon, so we wanted to see why, and this is why. The quality is wonderful for a fraction of the price. Let's give you a look at what's underneath the covers and what's inside the mattress, so stick around. So we've given the mattress a few hours to expand once out of its packaging. Amazon does state to give it about 72 hours to come to its full height, so we want to keep that in mind. Let's take a look at the layers. What I've done is sliced open the interior, the cover, and also the interior fire sock. Again, don't do this at home, otherwise it's going to void your warranty. That's what this video is for, to show you the inside of the mattress. So the first layer is going to be your memory foam layer. This is the part that's going to surround you and keep you cool as you sleep. It's also infused with green tea and natural castor oil extract, so it keeps the bacteria and the odor off. I found this to be a very unique feature of this particular mattress. The next layer is going to be your comfort foam, so slightly firmer, but also still very cushy. So if you sink into the mattress, it keeps you from sinking too far, but also still keeps you comfortable. And the last two layers are going to be very dense support foam, so it keeps you from sinking so low into the mattress that you can't get out. So this is the part that gives the mattress its support, but also keeps you comfortable and cool on top. So that's it. We wanted to give you a look at this mattress. We had fun showing it to you. For the best pricing, check out our links below and at the top. There's going to be a 10% off discount code there. Also, check out our other channel, Inside Sleep Reviews. We have a bunch of bed reviews there, and we love showing these things to you. So like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys soon.